We'll guide you through how to screenshot on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. A screenshot is really convenient because you can capture what's happening on your phone screen. So this could be something important, for example, a code because you ordered something like a confirmation order code, or it could just be something funny you want to go and send to people. So when you go and take the screenshot, it'll then be saved as an image in your gallery. I'll guide you through how you can go and find it. Now, there are different ways you can go and take a screenshot, so we'll guide you through them. We can go and set up a shortcut on the phone. We can go and press a button on the screen, or we can go and use the actual physical buttons on it as well. So we're going to guide you through the different options you've got. Make sure it is full guide, and let's go and dive straight into this. So to get started, go to the top, and you want to go and drag down like so. Then you want to go and drag down again at the top like this, and you want to go and head to the top right. There you want to go and find the pen or pencil icon. This is essentially edit, so tap there. Then it should go and open up this screen, and you can edit the top or full. I like to go and set it up for the top because it's way easier to drag down and then tap it. Otherwise, you've got to then go and expand it and go and find the option. So let's go and press edit under top. Now we'll have to go and remove one of these as you can only have 6 buttons at the max. So I'll go and remove this one here. And then what we need to do is go and find screenshot. So as you can see, take screenshot just here. So go and tap on it, and it's then going to be added at the top, and you can go and press done. Then we can go and press the back button in the top left. Now, if I go and drag down like so, you go and see we've got the take screenshot button. So you can go to wherever you want to go and take the screenshot. I'll just on my home screen and then press that button. Then it's going to go and capture it. Be patient. You'll have to go and see it flashes, and it's now taken it. And I'll show you how you can go and then take it with the buttons, as that can be more convenient sometimes. So come onto the side, and you can go and find the volume decrease and the side button and press them together like so. Then you'll go and see it flashes. And just to go and show you where we can go and find it, open your gallery and we can go and find it in recent, as you can see.